Hey guys, Chef Jason, and as you can see in the studio today, that's right, it is time for you to meet the full range of Ooni ovens. And I'll tell you what, we've got the Coda gas ovens, we've got the Karoo multi-fuel ovens, we even have the Volt electric oven for you. These ovens make amazing pizza. They come in multiple different sizes with different features, but I'll tell you what, the cool thing is they also allow you to make more than pizza. So today we're gonna dig in and talk a little bit about these different oven ranges because we have to help you find out which range is the best for you, which oven is the best for you, and what fuel is going to fuel all of those cooks. So first off, let's start off and talk a little bit about the Coda line of pizza ovens. Now, when it comes to the Coda line of ovens, you know what you get is that convenient ease of use. That's right, plug and play simplicity on here, making it just effortless when it comes to cooking. You get that instant ignition, and it also features hands-off fuel source. That's right, these are gas powered now, which makes it super easy to hook up your tank and go. I'll tell you, these are great because they're gonna really introduce you to all the amazing things you can do, but also make it super easy to plug and play. Now, let's dig in here and talk a little bit about the Karoo line of ovens. Now, when we talk about the Karoo line of ovens, you know, first you're gonna get that very simple setup, and these multi-fuel masters make it really easy to swap fuel sources. Because they are multi-fuel, you can pick wood, charcoal, or with an optional gas adapter. These are very versatile, and they're gonna give you those wood-fired flavors in anything you craft, whether it's pizza or maybe some amazing steaks as well. Very, very solid option here too. And last but not least, you've got the Ooni Volt, which I'll tell you what, plug and play electric option. That's right, your indoor cooking option with dual heating elements, allowing you to craft the perfect top and bottom of your pizza. And then, you know what, that high heat that Ooni is known for in their ovens is now available in your kitchen. That is super helpful. And the best part about all of these ovens, they are portable, which really allows you to take your show on the road and craft some amazing things in these ovens. And with a full line of cookware, I'll tell you what, you're not just limited to pizzas. Imagine what you could make from shrimps to steaks to a lot of other cool things as well. Now, stay tuned because it is time to jump in and do a comparison on the Coda line of ovens, and that video coming up next.